Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 16. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to open File Explorer. You can directly open it from here, or you can press Windows key plus E key together to open File Explorer. Then we need to select this PC, right click on it and select properties, and here you will get your device name. So my device name is Orbit, so I will remember this. We will need this, so just to minimize this, close the File Explorer. Now we need to open File Explorer again. Not bad, I just closed it. So here it is. So go to this PC, right click on C drive and open its properties. Then go to security tab and then click on advanced option. Now click on change and simply type here your Orbit, your device name, and I will check name. So it's giving error, so what I will do, I will go to advanced tab, I will click on find now, and from here I will select my username, that is, here it is, Orbit, and click on OK and click on OK. Select apply, and if you have just taken your ownership or this, then I will click on OK, click on OK and apply. Once done, again right click on C drive, open its properties, then go to security tab and then click on edit, and we need to simply give it full control and then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close all windows one by one and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue effectively and quickly. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.